Hi everyone, it's Kezia over here from Kezia's Corner and welcome to my channel. My name is Kezia and this is a space where I share all my love for makeup, beauty, lifestyle and all that jazz. Today's video is going to be an exciting one because it's my first time ever collaborating with the company called Linjer. It is a jewelry brand and I have a haul for you. So if you want to see what is inside, then keep on watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you want to see more. Let's go ahead and get started with today's video. As I said, today I'm collaborating with the brand called Linjer, and I'll just tell you a little bit about the brand first of all. The brand is a female founded brand. The name comes from Norway, as in Norwegian it means lines, and it correlates with the jewelry pieces that they create, which are simple, minimal, yet so beautiful nonetheless. The brand's mission statement is simply to empower women through their jewelry pieces, which are sustainable and all at fair prices as well. What I found interesting is they use what is called as gold vermeil. So it's like sterling silver at the base, and then it is plated with 22K of gold, like a thick layer, something like that. So I found that very interesting as well. They do have gold pieces, but then if you want more affordable pieces, they use what is called as gold vermeil. Another important factor to consider when choosing the brand called Linjer is the fact that they are truly sustainable, from packaging to also the pieces that they sell, because they use recycled material, all made up of 100% gold and silver as well. And they also use lab-grown diamonds as well. And something important to note is, through all that they use, they actually help the jewelry pieces to last long. So the prices that the pieces are stated as, in fact, match the quality then of the pieces that you are buying. That is a bit about the brand, and now I'm going to show you what I picked up and try them on as well. And I'm so excited. What I like is that in every single package that you will get, you have this little booklet over here, and it basically tells you about their story, their importance towards sustainability, the materials that they use, care and warranty as well. I also wish to share that I have a discount code for you all. It's Kezia25, so you can get 25% off your Linjer order. I'm also thinking, with Mother's Day coming up, it could be a possible idea to go onto the website and maybe pick out a gift for your loved one. I'm very aware, especially now since my dad passed away, like these days are very, very difficult. Mother's Day, Father's Day, Christmas, all these big fancy days. And just my heart goes out to everyone who has lost their mom. I cannot imagine, but I know what losing a parent now truly means. And I do believe that, you can honor them in a different way. I'm already trying to think what I'm going to do for my dad on Father's Day, even though he's not here. I'm still thinking about it. I still don't know what I'm going to do. It could also not be related with jewelry, to be honest with you, but it's just an idea. You can create a ritual that you wish to create. Something that I actually have been thinking about is maybe like we all plant a seed and we'll all plant a crop, for my dad. But I'm just, thinking over here, because we're doing a jewelry video as well, you can also, I don't know, with your siblings, buy something similar that could be in honoring your mom or any maternal mother figure that you have as well. So I don't know. I love talking about rituals sometimes, and I thought of mentioning that because I am obviously being real here with you. It could be a place to buy a Mother's Day gift, or it could be a great website as well to check out if you're looking for a gift for your loved one as well. So now I'm just going to show you the pieces. What I wanted to share is that every single piece that you get comes in a plastic bag like this, and then you get your pocket, and if you're giving a gift, you just simply put it in the pocket. But can we just take a moment and appreciate the packaging of these pieces? I love the pink that they use. Oh, it's a favorite pink of mine, to be fair. Okay, so I'm going to start with the first piece that I have, which is this one right here. Oh my goodness, I'm going to show it to you first. Okay, so this is a beautiful necklace. It is a September birthstone necklace, and I've always wanted something which represented kind of my birthday month, and this is the first thing that I actually have which represents that. And basically it's actually called London Blue Topaz. So I am going to wear this and I'm really excited. I have been loving necklaces. I do not go out without a necklace, to be honest with you guys. So this is the necklace right here. It's truly beautiful. I absolutely love it, and I'm just so happy that I have a birthday month necklace that I also can wear. What I also like with necklaces is that I also like layering them, so that's an idea for you guys to do as well. The next thing, I think I know what it is, because it's like really tiny. Oh no, I know. This is the one I already opened. Never mind. Basically, so we have these hoop earrings with the pearl on them, and these are actually called Rebecca. So I'm just going to put them on. I really like these. Now I'm just going to try and figure out. Yes, okay. What is annoying at the moment, I have a psoriasis flare-up on my ears, so my ears are not looking their best. So these are them. I'm just going to zoom you guys in. I really like them because they're like a little bit out there, but at the same time still quite simple, quite dainty. I absolutely love that. Oh my goodness, I'm so sorry. I'm not going to show you my ears because I have psoriasis everywhere and I don't like my ears at the moment, but these are them. Oh my goodness. And also, I guess if you put your hair up as well, they look like this. And what I like as well is that they're very lightweight. You don't feel like you have anything on your ears, honestly. The only issue that I had was a little bit with kind of how the hoop clasps back on, but kind of it was the first time I had a hoop like that, so until I get used to it, you know. I absolutely love them so far. Oh my goodness, I'm so happy. You see, jewelry pieces, you know, adding these little like small things to your outfit just makes you feel so much better. I don't know, like I'm having a bit of a skin issue like day where I'm not very confident in my skin at the moment. I also have something on my eye, which this is why I didn't apply mascara, so I've not been feeling my best with regards to this, but I swear since I put on my earrings especially, like it made me already feel a little bit better. Jewelry can also help with a bit of confidence as well. Last thing that I have is something very simple, and it's this beautiful dainty ring, and this is called the Trina ring. And it is a baguette ring. But I absolutely love this because it's so dainty and so simple, and I don't know, I just like this. I love simple dainty pieces of jewelry, to be honest with you guys, so just right up my alley. These were the jewelry pieces that I am so thankful to have tried out. I truly absolutely love the quality of them. That was my wee review on Linjer, and I also wish to say a big thank you to Linjer for wanting to collaborate with me. It truly means a lot. So I will leave all the links down below to Linjer's website as well as to my discount code as well, which is KEZI25 to get 25% off your Linjer order. Have you guys ever tried out Linjer or heard about Linjer? Comment down below, and also are you intrigued with any of the pieces that I shared? I would love to hear your thoughts as well. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you enjoyed my video nonetheless, give it a thumbs up, and if you want to see more, then press subscribe. And I'll see you guys in my next video. See you guys, take care.